Hi, my name is Stuart, and I'll be guiding you through this usability testing session today. Before we begin, I want to briefly cover some information with you. You probably have a good idea of why you're here, and you likely already know some of what I'm about to tell you, but it's best to be sure that we're on the same page before we get started. Our product is an application aimed to assist in campus navigation, and we are looking to test that it functions correctly. It's very important to remember that we're testing the app and not you. This means you can't do anything wrong, so just relax and enjoy yourself. We want you to think aloud as you use the product and to be as honest with your feedback as possible. Don't feel like you need to sugarcoat your feedback. We're here for your honest reactions and opinions, and we certainly won't be upset if you don't like something. Ask questions if you need to, especially if you don't understand the task we're giving you. However, we may not be able to answer all of your questions, as we are interested in how users would use this app when on their own. With your permission, we're going to be filming you using the product and recording your reactions to it. These recordings will not be seen by anybody except the people working on the product. Please sign the release form to indicate that we have your permission to record you, given that we are the only ones who will see the footage. Do you have any questions?
No, that seems pretty straightforward.
Okay, before we begin, I'm going to ask a couple background questions. Are you a U of G student?
Yes, I am.
How many times per week are you on the campus?
About 5 times a week, so Monday to Friday.
Have you used navigation apps before?
Yes.
And would you say that time spent traveling is valuable to you?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll begin the test. What is your first impression without touching anything on the interface right now?
Just looking at it, it kind of just looks like a normal Android app. I've seen these things in the past, so I think I have an idea of how I should be able to use it.
Okay, so no. First thing we're going to get you to do is log into the application using your central login.
So I don't see it in those 6 boxes, so I guess I'm going to click on this little button there. Oh, it says I'm already signed in. I guess I'll just sign out of that. Okay, if I go back, what happens? Okay, so I guess that's just a bug with you guys. So I'm going to click sign in. Okay, and then I'll put in my central, I guess I have to use the keyboard for this, so I'm just going to put Thomas. Hello. Oh, I guess it already knew. Okay. And then we'll go back to the home screen.
Okay. Now I want you to see what events are occurring at the brass taps.
So I guess I'll click on here again. And I will, I guess, search for the brass taps. I guess I have to type again. I click search. Okay, sweet. So I'll click on brass taps. And I'm looking for events, right? So let's take a look at events. Okay, so they have 2 events there. Sweet, that's cool.
Okay, good job. Find the fastest possible route to Rosansky Hall, room 104.
Okay, so I guess I'll go back here. I seem to be using this little nav bar a lot, and I guess Rosansky's a building, so let's click on building. I guess I'll click on Rosansky. I'm looking for directions.
The fastest possible route.
And you said room 104 though, so
Yep.
I guess it's to the room itself, not the building. Alright, let's click on 104. Oh, that's cool. I like how it shows all the classes that are currently going on. Let's go with directions. And you said the fastest possible route, so I guess I have to change that to be shortest distance. Or wait, when you say fastest, you mean time, I guess? Yeah, so let's click on that. I guess apply it.
Okay.
Sweet, that's cool.
Now I want you to find a place to park your car near Creelman Hall and find out if Creelman Hall has a microwave.
Okay, I guess let's go to the map and see what we got. Okay, so there's Creelman. So I want to find nearby parking, so let's click on that. Okay, so it looks like I can park in any one of those parking spots, probably P27 or P38. And so let's look to see if it has a microwave. So characteristics. And, oh, yeah, so I guess it does have a microwave. That's good.
Okay, cool. Now I just want you to find a fun event near your location.
Okay. Let's click on events then, I guess. Does filters work to let me select my location? No, I guess not. Okay, so I guess maybe let's do volleyball. Oh, or I guess we're doing trivia night. Okay. Sweet, on March 8th, let's add that to my calendar.
Okay,
Cool.
Good job. Okay, so we're all done. Do you have any additional feedback or questions for me?
Well, I'm assuming that most of these things would be implemented because I was clicking on, like, I wanted to do volleyball for example, and it didn't let me click on that. So I'm assuming you'd have that
that's
all.
just because it's a wireframe prototype, so it's not fully implemented yet.
Okay. Other than that, it seemed pretty straightforward. Yeah, it looks cool.
All right, cool. Thank you.
No problem.